Myself is YB Angadi, Department of Chemistry, Government First Grade College, Ahmedabad. Today's experiment is determination of amount of iron by colorimetrical method. Some of the requirement of this experiment, one is ferric chloride solution, already prepared 0.001 N, and dilute hydrochloric acid and potassium thiocyanate solution for coloring agent, and distilled water, and apparatuses are one measuring cylinder and numbered series of solutions, that is test tubes, 4 to 5 test tubes are required for preparation of different concentration of the iron solution, whites and electrical, that is digital colorimeter. Switch on. Here is one button, switch on colorimeter. These are the whites. Let prepare the series of iron solution in this tabular column. Volume of FeCl3 solution 2 ml for the first test tube, second test tube 4 ml, third test tube 6 ml, and fourth test tube 8 ml, and volume of the water in the reverse manner 6 ml, in the second test tube 4 ml, third test tube 2 ml, and fourth test tube 0 ml, and diluted shell each 5 ml and 2 ml KCNS for each of the test tube. Total volume of the solution becomes 15 ml. 2, 4, 10, 15 ml. Each 10 ml solution prepares solution with different concentrations. First, take the solution, add 2 ml of iron solution, 2 ml of iron solution with using measuring cylinder 2 ml. And 6 ml of water, 6 ml of water, and 5 ml of hydrochloric acid, and 2 ml of KCNS. So remove all this solution. Now in this test tube, 15 ml of the solution, 2 ml, 6 ml, 5 ml, 2 ml, total volume becomes 15 ml, and it develops the color by the addition of the KCNS and the iron solution. It becomes colored, formation of the complexes color. Now let by each of the test tubes determine the optical densities. In this experiment, optical density determination is a main principle. In this instrument, colorimetric instrument, switch on here, and Kuwait's, take the Kuwait's, add solution in this Kuwait's, and one Kuwait is used for the zero absorption. Zero absorption, water is added, water and solution, and placed water in these cavities. Adjust the calorimeter to zero optical density, zero absorbance. Now place the Kuwait of the solution, determine the optical density for this first test tubes. It becomes 0.04. For the first test tube, optical density is 0.04. Now replace this solution and insert the water and remove the solution as usual in the original test tube. Take the second test tube, add solution, iron solution, this Kuwait, any water droplets if it is there, wash by using this special filter paper, insert in the cavities and determine the reading optical density. That one is a 0.16. Now again place the white of water and remove the solution with as usual in the test tubes, and take the third test tube solution and reinsert, determine the optical density, measures optical density values, that is a 0.34, and again reinsert water Kuwait and take the another solution, that is test tube number 4, removing and insert the Kuwait into the solution, determine the reading, that one is measures the value is a 0.45, optical density is 4.5, and reinsert. And now one of the solution whose concentration is not known, that is the unknown solution, determine the optical density of this unknown solution. Replace, and this value is equal to 0.015. And in this tabular column, two column, one is the test tube numbers and concentration of the FeCl3. First test tube, it has the 2 ml of solution, and its concentration is a 0.001, and total solution is a 15 ml, and determines the concentration of the total 15 ml solution. It becomes a 0.0000133. Similarly, for second test tube, 4 ml Fe solution is taken into 0.001 divided by 15 ml, that becomes 0.000262. Similarly, in the third test tube, 6 ml is taken, 6 ml into 0.001 divided by 15, it becomes 0.000400. This one is the concentration of the iron in the third test tube. Similarly, in the fourth test tube, 8 ml is taken, 8 into 0.001 solution concentration, and 15 ml is the total concentration of the solution, becomes 0.000562. Concentration of the each test tubes and each test tube optical density. Now plot a graph using these values, concentration as well as optical densities. In this graph, from this graph, x-axis concentration 0.001, 0.002, 0.003, 0.004, along the y-axis optical densities. Various values for first test tube 0.00133 with 0.04. Similarly, for second test tube 0.0062, optical density is 0.16. Similarly, for third test tube, concentration is 0.004, and optical density is 0.34. Similarly, for fourth test tube, concentration is 0.562 and optical density is 0.45. And this, from the scale, join all these values and formation of the straight line, and this straight line is passing through this origin. And now unknown concentration, unknown test tubes, optical density is 1.5. For 1.5 it cuts to this straight line and take the concentration values. For 0.15 it becomes 0.0026. So this unknown solution concentration is 0.0026. Already known in the second sem, determination of the amount of the solute in the solution by using volumetric analysis. Same way, by using the calorimeter, determination based on the determination of the optical density, that means intensity of the colored formation, it is able to determine the unknown solution concentration. In this experiment, unknown iron concentration in the solution is equivalent to 0.0026. Hence the experiment.